Hi students, let us solve example based on finding variance and expectation of a discrete random variable from the given probability distribution table or from the given probability distribution function. Here an example is given. Following is the probabilities distribution of number of smartphones sold in a shop per day. Number of smartphones sold in a shop per day is given. That is 0 smartphones are sold per day. 1 smartphone is sold per day. 2 smartphones are sold per day. What is the probability that 2 smartphones are sold per day? That is 0.15. Again for similarly for 3 with probability 0.15, for 4 0.1, for 5 probability is 2k and for 0 probability is k. The question is asked here, find the value of k and e of x. We have to find k and expectation of x. Solution, since this is a probability distribution, if this is a probability distribution function, then sum of all the probabilities must be 1. Sum of all the probabilities must be 1. We have, that is in notation, summation over p of x is equal to 1. Summation over x is here. This implies that, see here, what are the probabilities? K is a probability, plus 0.3 is a probability, plus 0.15, plus 0.15, plus 0.1, plus 2k is equal to 1. Okay. This implies that, see here, this k and this 2k, k plus 2k is 3k. Okay, this is 3k, plus 0.3 plus 0.15 plus 0.15. This is 0.15 plus 0.15 is 0.3. 0.3 plus 0.3 is 0.6. 0.6 plus this 0.1, 0.7. 0.7 is equal to 1. Okay. This implies that 3k is equal to this 0.7 is plus here, take to the left side, this becomes 1 minus 0.7. So this implies that 3k is equal to 1 minus 0.7 is 0.3. This implies that k is equal to 0.3 divided by 3. 0.3 divided by 3 0.1. This implies that k equal to 0.1. This is the value of k. So this probability distribution function becomes probability distribution k is equal to 0.1 here. 2k is what? 2k is 0.2. Therefore, we have to find expectation using these values of k now. Okay. Now, expectation of a random variable, summation over x into px, or you may write this as summation over x, x equal to x into p of x equal to x. Both are same. So therefore p of x is e of x is equal to, what are the values of x and p of x are given? See here, 0 into 0.1, k is now 0.1, 1 into 0.3, 2 into 0.5, 3 into 0.15, 4 into 0.1 and 5 into 0.2. So 0 into 0.1 plus 1 into 0.3 plus 2 into 0.15 plus 3 into 0.15 plus 2 into 0.15 plus 3 into 0.15 plus 4 into 0.1 plus 5 into 0.2 plus 4 into 0.1 plus 5 into 0.2. This is equal to 0 into 0.1 is 0 plus 1 into 0.3 0.3 plus 0.3 plus 3 into 0.15 is 0.45 plus 4 into 1 is 0.4 plus 5 into 2 is 1.0 or 1. This is equal to 2.45. This is 2.45. Okay, in this way we can calculate K using the properties of a probability distribution and expectation of X. Now let us discuss some more example. I will give only hint to you, we can solve. Okay, we have solved these two examples. Now here one more example is given. The following is the probability distribution of number of hostesses reporting yield per day. Hostesses reporting yield per day. So number is given 0, 1, 2, that is 0 number of hostesses yield per day, 0.2, 1 hostess is yield per day, 2 hostesses is yield per day, and so on. Find the average number of hostesses reporting yield per day. How you can find the average number of hostesses yield per day? Just if you want to find this number of hostesses yield per day, just you have to solve, you have to find E of X. E of X is the average number of hostesses yield per day. This is average. So you have to find E of X using the formula E of X is equal to X into Px. Okay, in this way you can find the average number of hostesses reporting yield per day. Now P of X equal to 2 is 0.3. See here, second example, P of X is equal to this example. P of X is given X equal to 2 is 0.3. So values of X and values of P of X are given. What are the values of X? Value of X is 2 and what is value of P of X? 0.3. Next value is X equal to 3. X equal to 3 and for X equal to 3 probability is 0.4. X equal to 4 probability is 0.3. So you can find the variance for this random variable F. This is a table from the given information. So from this table you can calculate variance as we have seen in the previous lecture. Okay. So also in this problem you have to find the expectation of X and variance of X using the same formula. Okay. Hope you understood, student. Thank you.